Welcome, this is episode 3 and it's 6 expert keyboard shortcuts for Squarespace and it's just over 2 minutes long. As you'll see in the video, I'm using a Mac, but I will put the Windows equivalent shortcut keys on the Media Surgery website, so check that out for full details. So up first is text alignment. So we click on edit mode and then text block, then the edit button. If we click on hit on our keyboards, Shift, Command and R is right align, Shift, Command E is center, and Shift, Command L is left align. Really quick one is just simply to hit G and you will get the grid. G on, G off for grid. Very handy. You can align things there and you can see the different spacing between the elements. Very handy. G. We've also got Apple key and D for duplicate. If I hit that there, you can see duplicate the element. We've also got copy and paste, so we can go Apple C and then Apple V is going to paste, which is doing the same similar thing to duplicate really. Another good one to know is to send the blocks backward and forward. You do that by clicking on Shift and then down arrow or the up arrow again to put that on top. The next one, you need to actually explicitly enable it, and it allows you on your live site, if you hit the escape key, it will redirect you back to the Squarespace editing screen. So that's quite handy, but just remember you need to activate that within settings and then the escape key as I've shown there. And I've saved the biggest time saver for last, and that is simply to hit the backslash key, and it will then allow you to search your whole Squarespace settings. For instance, CSS is probably the one we use most, CSS, and it will immediately go onto your CSS page. It'll save you, 3-4 clicks in doing that, and it just saves when you're an admin all day. That saves a lot of time and it's just really great. So that is probably the biggest time saver, and I've saved that one for last. That concludes these 6 short tips for keyboard shortcuts. Hope you've enjoyed them. Please like and subscribe. If you do, it will encourage me to do more tutorials. Thank you.